Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is another Snoop Dogg one. This is Bow Wow Brownies. So I'm starting off with some flour, some salt, and some baking soda, and I'm going to put that in a separate container, give it a quick mix and set that aside. Then to a small pot I have some butter, sugar, and some milk. Going to heat that up and bring it to a boil. And as soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to turn off the heat and remove it from the oven, from the stovetop. And then I can add in the chocolate and keep stirring that till everything is well melted. Once it's smooth, you can add in a couple eggs. And I do have the full recipe below in the description box in case you want to follow along. Also adding in some vanilla extract as well. And then the eggs. And I will say I've made brownies from scratch several times before, different recipes, never cared for it. I always preferred the box mix, but this recipe is the best I've tried. And I don't recall making it like this before, so definitely know what they're doing. So once all that's smooth, I'm going to start gradually adding in my flour mixture, a little bit at a time, till everything is well incorporated. And then I did preheat my oven to 325. I have an 8x8 pan that I did butter. I'm going to add all the batter. And I do have some more chocolate chips that I'm going to add to the top of it. It's a very chocolate heavy recipe. It's so good. And I did put that in the oven for about 30 minutes until the brownies were set. And I did the toothpick test, and this is how they came out. Absolutely amazing. Definitely give this a try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.